Time is only eternal in the space where there's no contraction. Otherwise, time is suffering. Is that clear? In other words, the right use of time would be perfect practice. Anything less would be a waste of time. So it doesn't matter even what you do. You could on the surface appear to be practicing and doing all of the things that service involves. But it's all meaningless unless there's no contraction. In other words, unless time is eternal. Many of you are finding that. That's why I'm clarifying it for you. You know you're doing it right when you don't even notice time. It's like the idea when Jesus was dictating the course, months would go by and he'd pick up where he left off. It's kind of like that. How do you explain it? Does time move differently for Jesus than it does for you? Time doesn't move for Jesus. Time is nothing. It's an invention. It's a tool. It's a medium for expression. But when it's used up, it never was. And you can't get there without going, and that's why you're given context to use it up. But I assure you, when it's all used up, it never was. In other words, when you no longer need time, or when you run out of time. But that state is what's generating your temporal cycles. Why? Because you're with me, that's why. Your temporal cycles are being informed by that state. That's why there's so much collapse. Now you still may resist it if time is necessary, because it's being collapsed all of the time in my company. There's really no need for it. I pick it up where I left off. So you're approaching the black hole, which is essentially no time. That's what it is. It's the dark ring before the crown opens. That's the cosmic mandala. What does that mean? It means you're identified with the energy and not with form. I thought I was identified with love. Love is its expression. Love is how it's expressed.